Hello scholars, welcome back to this chapter on emphatic stress. Let us answer some past questions from the years 2011, 2017 and 2021. The instruction says, in each of the questions, the word in capital letters has emphatic stress. Choose the option to which the given sentence relates. Question 1. The cat devoured the rat. The answer is option C. Did the cat pet the rat? To answer this question given in option C, the answer would be the cat devoured the rat. Emphasis on the word devoured. Question 2. My father will get home at 5 o'clock. The answer is option B. Will my father leave home at 5 o'clock? The option suits the statement given. Question 3. The Parents-Teachers Association promised to build a cafeteria. Option C. Did the Parents-Teachers Association promise to build a library is our answer, as it inquires about whether the Parents-Teachers Association made a promise to build a library. Question 4. He slapped the teacher. The word emphasized is slapped. The correct answer is option A. Did he greet the teacher? Question 5. He travels every weekend. In the sentence, he travels every weekend, the emphatic stress is on weekend. So, the option that relates to this sentence is option D. Does he travel every day? The emphasis in the original sentence is on the frequency of traveling, particularly on weekends. Option D directly addresses this emphasis by asking if he travels every day. Question 6. Amina went to Abuja by air. The right answer is option B. Who went to Abuja by air? This option asks for information about the people or person who traveled to Abuja by air. Question 7. Uche loves Toyota cars. In the sentence, Uche loves Toyota cars, the emphatic stress is on loves. Does Uche hate Toyota cars? Option C is the right answer. This question gives us the answer Uche loves Toyota cars, emphasizing on the word loves. Question 8. The police arrested the suspect. The answer is option B. Who arrested the suspect? The statement, the police arrested the suspect, answers the question. Question 9. Maiduguri is the capital of Borno State. The answer is option C. Is Maiduguri a town in Borno State? The statement, Maiduguri is the capital of Borno State, answers the question. Well done, scholars! Click to watch the next video.